Hello, amazing artists! Welcome to our super fun drawing adventure today. I'm Daria, and I'm so excited to show you how to draw simple things and make them magically come to life. Imagine your drawings winking, bouncing, or even dancing. It's going to be so much fun. Get your pencils and paper ready, because we're about to unleash our creativity together. First up, let's learn how to draw a super cute animal. How about a friendly cat? We'll start with the head. Draw a nice round circle, then add two pointy triangles on top for the ears. Great job! Now, let's give our cat a body. Draw a slightly larger oval shape right below the head. And don't forget the legs. For little rectangles or ovals at the bottom of the body will do the trick. Now for the fun details. Two big eyes, a tiny nose, and some long whiskers on its face. And a cute little tail, of course. Make it curvy and playful. Perfect! Look at our cat. It's so adorable. But wait, what if we make it move? Watch closely. Our cat drawing is winking at us and wiggling its tail. Isn't that amazing? Your drawings can have their own little personalities. Next, let's try drawing something different. How about a cozy little house? Start with a big square for the main part of the house. This is the wall. Now, let's add a triangle on top for the roof. Make sure it sits nicely on your square. Every house needs windows and a door. Draw a few squares for windows and a rectangle for the door. You're doing great. Let's add a chimney on the roof. And maybe a little puff of smoke coming out. Our house is looking so welcoming. What if this house could show us it's alive? Look! The smoke is puffing from the chimney, and the door is gently opening. It's like our drawing is inviting us inside. Animation makes everything more exciting. Now it's your turn to be super creative. Use what you've learned to draw anything you can imagine. Think of a flying bird, a rolling car, or even a dancing flower. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to try new things. Drawing is all about having fun and letting your imagination soar. Every line you draw, every color you choose, tells a part of your unique story. So what will you draw and bring to life today? I can't wait to see your amazing creations. Thank you for joining me on this animated drawing adventure. You are all incredible artists. Keep practicing your drawing skills. And remember, every drawing can be a moving story waiting to be told. Don't forget to share your animated masterpieces with your friends and family. Until next time, keep drawing, keep animating, and keep shining bright. Bye-bye.